ever hit that wall of silence in your seminar when trying to move students from surface-level answers toward deeper critical thinking? Guided learning in Gemini can help move from simply providing information to building understanding, right in the middle of your seminar. Or whether you're deconstructing a complex legal precedent, analyzing a chemical reaction, or, as we'll see here, tackling economic theory. Normally, if you ask Gemini to explain the impact of inflation on social mobility, you get a polished summary. The thinking is already done for the student. In Gemini, select Guided Learning and enter your topic. Help me understand the impact of inflation on social mobility. Notice the shift in behavior. Instead of a quick explanation, Gemini provides a brief conceptual setup and then stops, asking a targeted question to check for understanding. It breaks things down step by step and encourages you to think critically with engaging challenges. This is where the real learning happens. You type in a student's response, and the AI immediately adapts, offering a nudge, a counter perspective, or the next step in the scaffolding, based specifically on that input. By using this live, you're actively modeling that the goal of AI in your classroom isn't speed to answer, it's depth of inquiry. You're teaching students to use AI to stress test their logic rather than just quote a chatbot. Ready to move from answers to understanding? Head over to gemini.google.com and select Guided Learning to get started.